Okay, so we got this. Oh, wait. Oh. Sweet little bumblebee, I know where you want from me. Doopy doopy doo da da, doopy doopy doo da da. Sweet little bumblebee, I know where. What is this? What is this? Hello. Hello, Mama. I'm a beautiful, sweet, innocent Missouri cat. Sorry. Woo! I'm a bumblebee. No, wait. What if we put on it raw? What the hell? You know what? This is funny. I like it. I like it a lot. I'll eat this up. What is going on? What's going on? What am I gonna do for her last outfit? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, that's put her to sit down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay. Lay. I didn't mean to lay like that. She's gonna keep herself entertained all day. We're just gonna do that. We're gonna tie her up. We're gonna put all nothing. I was thinking around with that. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? I only have Mucho and Mitzi, the cats. Damn, she's a rubber. Damn. Nah, not my type of cat. I'm so weird lately. No. Nar. There's no way I'm doing. She likes hustling. Oh, imagine if I forced my Mauricio cat to wear it. Oh, look, her chest comes on the top. Well, that's not really. It's just the design of the cat. Okay, Mitzi, you good? I'm not good. I'm being held here. I'm being held hostage. Sorry. Bro. Oh my god, this is adorable. Oh, I'm gonna go to the library and see what we do.